Hello guys, welcome to the box opener. Thanks for your support to reach my first video the 10,000 milestone. Thanks to the subscriber and those who did not subscribe yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification on my every new videos. So today I am going to unbox the all new Amazon exclusive Redmi 5. Here is the package itself from Amazon. You can see the package. So let's unbox it. So this is the all new Redmi 5 black 2GB 16GB. Cut the seal and view the first look of the retail unit and the box content. If you look here, the price is mentioned here is 8,499, but it is being sold on Amazon and mi.com on 7,999. So here it comes. I think this is the TPU back cover. Nowadays MI started to give a back cover for all the smartphones from the Redmi Note 5 Pro to Redmi Note 5, and now this is the Redmi 5 version. This is the black one. Let's keep it aside. This is the smartphone itself. Let's look on the other stuffs here. The user manual, the charging adapter. So it's the 5 volt 2 ampere charging adapter, and this is the charging micro USB cable. You can look here. And the SIM card ejector tool. So that's it. Nothing more inside in the package. Let's keep these stuffs aside and Redmi 5. So this is the Redmi 5. Here you front selfie camera, which comes with a flash. The screen is 5.7 inch. Comes with the new 18:9 ratio. On the top you can see the 3.5 mm jack, the IR blaster, the secondary noise cancellation. On the right you can see the volume rockers and the power button, and the bottom here is the two vents, as you can see. The one is a speaker and the other is on the back. As you can see, the rear camera, the singleton flash, and the fingerprint sensor. Here is some IMEI information and the MI branding logo. The back is full metallic. It feels good on hand. So let's boot it up for the first time and see. It comes with MIUI 9. So let's get started. Select the Gboard. So if you have any Wi-Fi connection, so you can connect your phone to it. It's connected. So Next, checking for SIM card. As I have no SIM card, so it's saying insert SIM card. Okay. Next. So here you have to log in with your Google account. So if you have no Google account, so you can create one from here by pressing the no and filling up the all details, or you can press the yes to log your primary Gmail account. So I am going to logging in some. Is the they're asking for backing up and the device settings, app data, etc. So press the agree button. Now you have to sign into your MI account. So if you have no MI account, no worry, just go through the create an account option and create one ID and proceed through it. MI clouds needs permission, so allow the permission for SMS call and the files. And now next, okay, and the location, user diagnostic data, agree, say, choosing the theme. So then the setup is completed. Let's check the specifications. So here's the setup is completed. With MIUI Global 9.2.7.0 with Android version running 7.1.2, the Android Nougat. So here you can see the Android Nougat. You press 5 times on internal storage, you will get to know the another information of the phone. So here you can see the phone information. It is LTE supported, saying the SIM1. Phone information 2, it is basically the SIM2 information with IMEI number, which is also the LTE supported. And here is the battery. The battery temperature, it is showing 38 degrees centigrade. It's Li poly battery. The battery voltage is 3722. So for checking the camera quality of the back, including some pictures that you can see. That's it. Like, share, and those who have not subscribed yet, please do so and press the bell icon to get the notification first. Thanks for watching.